recording of our playbook. Download it and the Multisite Collaboration Lab from our website. Welcome to our whiteboard drawing, Multisite Collaboration Lab, Build, Part 2. Once the CUCM VMs are installed, we can configure Central Pub, the multi-site PSTN simulation. These tasks are required to configure Central Pub. Configure tracing, bat in the configuration, activate services on Central Pub, and take a snapshot. Web browse to this address. Click Continue to this website. Log in using CollabAdmin, the application name you configured during installation, and your password, which you also configured during installation. We configure tracing to help troubleshoot our configurations. In the navigation drop-down box, select Cisco Unified Serviceability and click Go. Navigate to Trace, Configuration. Select Central Pub and click Go. Select CM Services and click Go. Select Cisco Call Manager and click Go. We check these boxes and click Save. Feel free to check all the boxes. Upload the Multisite Collaboration Lab to Central Pub. In the navigation drop-down box, select Cisco Unified CM Administration and click Go. Navigate to Bulk Administration, Upload/Download Files. For the file, browse to where you downloaded the Multisite Collab Lab 9.1.2 BAT file and select it. For Select Target, select Import/Export. For Select Transaction Type, select Import Configuration and click Save. The name of the BAT file will change over time. Just pick the file you downloaded from the site. Now import the configuration into Central Pub. Navigate to Bulk Administration, Import/Export, Import. In the file name drop-down box, select the Multisite Collab Lab BAT file you just uploaded to Central Pub. Click Next. Check all of the boxes by clicking Select All. Always provide a job description. Select the Override the Existing Configuration checkbox. Select the Run Immediately radio button and click Submit. Make sure the job queued successfully. Navigate to Bulk Administration, Job Scheduler, Find. The job status should be pending. We haven't started the Bulk Administration service. Now start the services we need on Central Pub. In the navigation drop-down box, select Cisco Unified Serviceability and click Go. Navigate to Tools, Service Activation. In the server drop-down box, select Central Pub and click Go. For Central Pub, we check the boxes beside these services and click Save. We don't need all these services right now, but we'll start them anyway. Here's a partial screen capture. Click OK to the dialog box. It will take a moment or two for the services to activate. Once the services have activated, make sure the BAT import job completed successfully. In the navigation drop-down box, select Cisco Unified CM Administration and click Go. Navigate to Bulk Administration, Job Scheduler, Find. The job status should be completed. Click on the job ID on the left. There should be no errors in the version 4.0 file. Update Central Pub trunk configuration to match your lab environment. Navigate to Device, Trunk, Find. Select the first trunk. Under SIP information, you'll see the destination address information. Central Pub is configured to connect to the Enterprise 20 cluster via CUCM1A and CUCM1B. Change the destination address to match the IP address of the Enterprise 20 cluster server or servers you deployed in your lab and click Save. Do this for all 10 trunks, including Toronto 55 ICT. It looks a little different because it's an H.323, not a SIP trunk. Reset all trunks. Navigate to Device, Trunk, Find. Select all the trunks and click Reset Selected. If we have time, we restart the whole VM instead. Click Reset and close. Test numbers in the Multisite Collaboration Lab are distributed across 11 Cisco IP communicators, including a central test, a multipurpose substitute for other test phones. You can move the lines to whatever kinds of phones you have available. Launch CIPC. Access the Network tab. This will either pop up for first-time use, or you can right-click on CIPC and select Preferences. Depending upon your OS, you may need to launch CIPC using Run as Administrator to change these values. Select the Use this device name radio button and use the name Toronto 55 Test. Select the Use these TFTP servers radio button and use your address of your Central Pub CUCM VM. Your Cisco IP communicator should register, and you should see test numbers configured for Toronto Site 55. For other sites, select the Use this device name radio button, but use the name XXX Test, where XXX is the site name. Take a snapshot. Snapshots are not supported in production, but are great in a lab. The demo countdown will be reset, and you can bat in a different configuration without reinstalling. We originally thought that if you took a snapshot after you started the CUCM service, that the demo countdown would be from the date of the start of that service. That's why we started the services last. We're not sure we believe that anymore, and now think this is the best place for a snapshot. Stay tuned for Multisite Collaboration Lab Build Part 3.